It was an amazing experience traveling in the dense forest of Goa. The Goa-Bangalore highway offers plenty of wildlife. That afternoon, when we were traveling from the southern part to the northern part, fortunately I saw a herd of deers. But by the time we kind of went close to the area, they were disappeared.
Now we are heading towards the northern part, which is the commercial part of Goa. Find a lot of tourists and travelers, traveling from different countries, different geographies, different demographics. So, Goa visit is a water visit. People, not only for adventure. There are different cuisines here, which you can try, the Goan cuisine and lot many things.
The wind was blowing in the highway, the Goa-Bangalore highway, in that afternoon was kind of healing us. The fresh wind from the forest was something very, very touchy.
So as you can see here, this is a very intriguing poster I can see. This is a poster from local Goanese movies, and you can see it's little different than what we see nowadays. Although the movies, halls and posters, those concepts are dying up, it's like not getting that kind of popularity nowadays. That's because of the OTT platforms and other things. But it's a very interesting thing I can see here. It reminds me back to old days, and Goa with old vibes is something very special. These are all like Portuguese style buildings, They are old and new mixed together. It's a beautiful, beautiful place, a part of Goa, southern Goa. Reminds us back to the history. Portuguese used to rule this particular district of Goa, and it's a very beautiful thing.
Margao is a very old city. The historic structure of Margao, built during the Portuguese period, are the hospicio or hospitals, the municipal buildings, and there are many more buildings which represents the historic significance of the town. The hustle and bustle of the roads of Margao was reminding us our cities after a few days of quite an amazing time in the southern part of Goa. But most importantly, Margao offers many famous schools and colleges of Goa. Loyola and St. Joseph are famous schools and colleges located there. Margao also hosts the Goa's biggest sports complex. Also, you can find all things which a small town offers. Good restaurants, good shops, all are there. There are plenty of good restaurants over there which offers good quality of food in an affordable price. You can try out the Goanese thalis there, which is affordable. At the same time, you can get unlimited amount of food. Along with, I wanted to say that according to my personal feeling from the old town was absolutely amazing, I must say. Margao gives a very complex feeling of an old Portuguese era and a modern cosmopolitan town. Sernabatim Beach, located in the southern part of Goa, was our last beach we hopped in. Lot of people suggested us, if you want to have a look at the sunset in Goa, there is no other beach that can offer you this kind of moment. And it was absolutely true. We were enjoying the sunset with a calm and cool weather in the month of December. The most important moment which I will remember was a mother and child taking an afternoon bath during the sunset time. Was something really took all my senses up to a high level. I was fortunate enough to talk to some of the tourists over there. They were very curious about our drone and our conversation. And it was an amazing moment we spent before we headed towards the northern part of Goa. We decided to travel in the late evening, and it took almost 2.5 to 3 hours before we reached to the Arambol beach. Arambol beach, a famous one, famous beach, full of Russian tourists, Russian shops, and there are a lot of people from different countries. They visit Arambol beach. So we decided to stay for a night close to the beach in a small property, and next morning we decided to hike up to the mountains of Arambol. It was a dense and deep forest that we had to cross after the Sweetwater Lake, and it was approximately 25 minutes hike up to the mountains of Goa. And the scenes we saw from that place was absolutely breathtaking. I was fortunate enough to meet some people over there, some tourists, some local guys, which I will show you in my next episode. So stay tuned, enjoy. We have just witnessed the sunset, which was absolutely brilliant. I mean, one of the wonder of nature, And the Sernabatim Beach is something very special, because if you are a sunset lover, I think this is one of the places you should, come. And also one more thing, this is the time for the holiday goers, the holiday makers, in our domestic travelers, they have poured in here. Although the situations about the new variant of COVID is little tricky. I mean, there are a lot of rumors going around, and people are saying there will be another lockdown, but I don't know. But you keep aside all these problems, you can see there are plenty of people here. You can come this way a little bit. There are many people here, as you can see. So this is a Christmas time. It's almost Christmas time, and December is the month for the holiday makers. So it's one of the wonder. Also, this kind of beaches are very, very pretty, And the one of the important fact about this South Goa thing, South Goa beaches is it's clean, and they have good security here. Even though there are coast guards, they can help you for life-saving situations. And you can come here, enjoy with your family, and it gives an immense pleasure, witness this kind of sunset.